What's going on YouTube, Geosnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to downgrade from iOS 18 back to iOS 17 on any device running iOS 18 beta. So all you need is essentially iTunes and your device connected to the computer. Now iTunes allows you to manage everything from the device, including the software that it's running. So I'm gonna go ahead in here and stop the device, and you can see I'm running iOS 18 beta. Now a good idea if you have data on your device is to back it up right now. There is the option for backups in here. You can do either an iCloud backup or on this computer. However, you will soon realize that the restore iPhone option over here may not work for you, because when you click restore, you may get this error over here. There was a problem downloading the software for iPhone, your iPhone's name, the requested resource was not found. In this case, it doesn't allow you to downgrade back to iOS 17. So what you need to do is to get the IPSW file or the firmware for your device. To do that, go to iDeviceCentral.com, my website, go here to iOS signing status and select your device from this list. In this case, it's an iPhone XR, so I'm going to select it from this list over here, and you're going to see all the available signed versions for your device. I'm going to go with the latest 17.6 and click on the number in here, which is the build number of the version. Remember, you can only restore the signed versions, and it will start downloading the firmware. In this case, I already have a downloaded version, so I'm going to move it here to the desktop. And now we go back here on iTunes. With the device connected, press and hold Shift on your keyboard and then press Restore iPhone over here. And you're going to get a dialog like this, which allows you to select a firmware. We're going to select the iOS 17.6 IPSW file, press Open, and press Restore. This will begin the installation process for iOS 17, and this will essentially downgrade from iOS 18 back to 17.6, and it will allow you to upgrade again to iOS 18 if you want to in the future. This will take a while. It has this extracting software step, then it's going to have a verifying software with Apple step. So there are a couple of steps in here, and your device will reboot a couple of times in between. Just wait for this to complete. Do not disconnect the device until it boots into the hello screen. Alright, so 10 minutes later, the restore is now complete, and you can see the device has indeed reconnected to the computer, and we can now activate the device. As you can see, welcome to your new iPhone. Press continue over here, and I'm gonna press get started, and that's it. You can see we're now running iOS 17.6 on this device with build number 21G80. So yeah, that's how you downgrade. Pretty simple procedure. You can do it on Windows, you can also do it on macOS directly in Finder. You can even do it on Linux with some tools like libiMobileDevice. Thank you for watching. I am Geosnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.